Your journey to self-love is unique and personal. These affirmations are here to support you, but true change comes from within. Try to genuinely connect with each affirmation. I am worthy of love and respect. My self-worth is not defined by others' opinions. I embrace my unique qualities and strengths. Every part of me deserves love and kindness. I am a work of art, constantly evolving. Challenges make me stronger and more resilient. My journey is about becoming more authentically me. I trust the process of my growth. I am deserving of my dreams and aspirations. My potential to succeed is limitless. I am proud of who I am becoming. I choose to rise above negative feelings and let go of self-doubt. My heart is an endless source of love. I am a beacon of love and compassion. I honor my own life path. I am enough, exactly as I am. My inner world creates my outer world. I listen to my intuition and trust my inner guide. Self-love is a natural state of being. I am committed to personal growth and evolution. I accept myself unconditionally. My life is a reflection of the love inside me. I radiate confidence, self-respect, and inner harmony. I deserve all the goodness life has to offer. I am connected to the endless abundance of the universe. My actions are intentional and they bring me closer to my dreams. I am a magnet for positive energy and experiences. I honor my body as the temple that houses my spirit. I am grateful for the ability to create my own happiness. Every day, I grow stronger and more fearless. I am a creator of my own destiny. My voice is valuable and my opinion matters. I am the architect of my life, the builder of my dreams. Love flows from within me to the world. I am deserving of happiness, love, peace, and prosperity. I let go of past hurts and embrace the present with an open heart. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I choose happiness. I am at peace with who I was, who I am, and who I will become. I release any need for misery and suffering. I am filled with energy to do all the daily activities in my life. My mind is filled with healthy, positive, and loving thoughts. I am patient, diplomatic, and tolerant. My life is full of joy, happiness, and love. I am surrounded by love everywhere I go. I have the power to create change. I choose to focus on what I can control. I forgive myself and set myself free. I believe I can be all that I want to be. My life is moving forward perfectly. I am brave, bold, and beautiful. Today, I choose me. I celebrate my individuality. I am prepared to succeed. I embrace the rhythm and the flowing of my own heart. All that I need comes to me at the right time and place in this life. I am deeply fulfilled by all that I do. Each day is a gift, and I gratefully accept it. I live in harmony with the universe. I am my best source of motivation. The love I give myself is reflected in all areas of my life.